Take it away.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. I am TRICH2REAL and we are back with another hair video, girls. Listen, Recool sent over this amazing 12-inch wavy 13x4 180% density unit. I absolutely love it. It is gorgeous and it is giving. Okay, that's all I must say. It is giving. As you guys can see, it is pretty much giving rich auntie vibes and I am loving that. All the specs of this unit will be listed in the description bar so you guys can go and check it out. This amazing bouncy flowy wig. It's summertime, it's super short, you don't have to worry about the heat and all that jazz. Go crap you this wig. I absolutely love it.
You stay up, hoping I'll come home. Don't wait up, cause I'm way too gone. Don't wait up, wait up. I'm way up on that coke and rum. You stay up, hoping I'll come home. Don't wait up, cause I'm way too gone. Don't wait up, wait up. Turn it up, yeah, yeah. Cause this song is such a classic. Turn it up, yeah, 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 yeah. Right now, I don't know what my name is. Blah, blah, I'll remember when I say shit. Calm down, don't fight me for the next hit. Got enough for everyone. Take a blow, have another one. Take it slow, can you save me some? On the floor, end up when we're done.
So pretty. I love this. Oh my god, this is so pretty. So guys, I'm going to try and do a side part with this because I think it will look so bomb. I'm not sure. I'm thinking a side part to do with this. What y'all think? Let me see. Center. No, center is gonna be too basic. I think when you put it to the side, it look more glamorous. So I love it. I love it. But now we're gonna measure up the ears and make sure that it is fitting. Okay, we're not gonna pluck, but you can definitely go in and pluck. But we're not gonna be doing all that extra stuff today.
When you're hiding things, might as well be lies. Can you ever get it right? How long will I let this fly? Hit up my girls, pull up, I'm outside, waiting by the curb. Too upset to drive you, getting on my nerves. We gon' get lit on this ride. I look too good to fight. Don't expect me to come home tonight. Don't worry about me, see you in the morning. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Think I had about enough. I mean, hold up, you could call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. You gon' miss this body. Too late, oh I'm sorry. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Had about enough. Hold up, call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Tryna get you to wake up. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Can't ignore my intuition, baby. I know you're typing every game you try to play. You know you could get replaced, ayy. Cause I won't track around, no dead weight. Hit up my girls, pull up, I'm outside, waiting by the curb. Too upset to drive you, getting on my nerves. So we gon' get lit on this ride. I look too good tonight, and I just wanna have a good time. Don't worry about me, see you in the morning. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Think I had about enough. I mean, hold up, you could call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. You gon' miss this body. Too late, oh I'm sorry. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Had about enough. Hold up. 'cause I'm too grown. Let you deal with that alone. I'ma get back when I do, don't call my phone and don't leave the lights on for me. Don't worry about me, see you in the morning. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Think I had about enough. I mean, hold up, you could call me on my bluff. I ain't coming to wait up. You gon' miss this body. Too late, oh I'm sorry. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Had about enough. Hold up, call me on my bluff. I ain't coming to wait up. Wait up. Wait up. Why you texting? You still wanna lay up? Nope, no thanks. I ain't coming to wait up. Fool me once, fool me twice. When you're hiding things, might as well be lies. Can you ever get it right? How long will I let this lie? Hit up my girls, pull up, I'm outside, waiting by the curb. Too upset to drive it, getting on my nerves. We gon' get lit on this ride. I look too good to fight. Don't expect me to come home